Solo Leveling is now the second biggest anime on Crunchyroll, dethroning Demon Slayer and still behind the king, One Piece. I mean, I haven't seen it yet. It looks pretty good, so I'm not going to give any hate. The only thing I'm going to say is, though, it kind of ripped off Hunter x Hunter a little bit. And as a big Hunter x Hunter fan, I kind of have to say this, but, yeah, it still looks like a really good show. I'll give it a chance. I actually have 2 of the manhwa for it. Yeah, I definitely pronounced that wrong. I have 2 of the Korean comics for it. Okay, man, I can't speak at all. But anyways, yeah, it still looks like a good show. And I mean, I'm not saying it's bad just because it takes from elements from another show. I mean, JJK did that, and I love that show too.